This tutorial is for the software Doodly, and we're going to discuss the different timeline settings and the transitions that can be selected. So we'll go ahead and start a new project, and let's go ahead and choose Glassboard, and let's go ahead and give it a title. Click Create. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and set up 4 different scenes. So I'm going to go ahead here and click Characters, and I'm going to drag Character 1 over here. I'm going to click on a new scene, and I'm going to select Desk over here. I'm going to come down, select my new scene, and drag my character over there. And then I'm going to do one more scene, and we'll set the character there. Now what you're going to see is we're going to go in the bottom left in the timeline settings, and there's different transitions that we can do. So first let's talk about the scene transitions, and I'm going to choose camera panning, and I'm going to click apply. Now watch the effect that it does with the camera panning. So your first scene will fade into the second scene, and so on and so forth. Now another great feature about Doodly that I like is you can also go back into the settings, and instead of using the hand itself, if you just want to do a storyboard with no drawing of with the hand, you can choose no hand, click apply, and now let's preview that. And you'll see how it tells the story and fades in without the hand effects. We'll go ahead and exit that. Let's go back into the scene settings, and then we can change the style as we're working on our project. So if we want it to be glassboard, chalkboard, or whiteboard. So let's go ahead and switch to chalkboard and click apply. And now our entire project has turned into chalkboard. And let's go ahead and click preview. All right, let's go and go back, and we can choose the different style hands. We have a variety of different styles that we can choose from. Let's go ahead and just select a random one. Click preview. And let's go back into the settings. And if we go over to our scene transition again, and we'll change that over to the swipe. And let's go ahead and change the erase with our finger. And let's click apply. Drop that over our second layer. And let's go to the first layer. And let's drop this guy over here. And let's click preview. So you'll notice that you can change the different ways that Doodly will erase your design. Okay, and like always, if you have any questions on how to do something in Doodly or any software, please visit us over in instructme.net. That's instructme.net.